Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here again in house. We're having a birthday party. Pre-birthday celebration. Thank you. Hello, say hello.
Hi.
Chit chat. Hello. My friend Rihanna Marison. Hello. Hello, Cherry Berry.
Hi, we're here again at Leah's house. Pre-birthday party.
Hello. Advance happy birthday or happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hello, my friend.
This is my birthday.
Ah, really? Wow, happy birthday too. You're very pretty.
They're just
Our food. Look at this. Wow. Very yummy. Black shrimp?
no.
Ah. Shrimp. Oh. Kangkong? Yeah, kangkong. Fish. Thank you. So it's gonna rain, huh? Thunder. With the lightning, with the thunder. Girls dig in. It's time to eat. So just come here and eat now. Ready to eat?
Because I still didn't have the visa yet, so I still use the like tourist.
Tourist visa?
Yeah, and then I pay 1,200 before. Rihanna, did you eat chili?
No.
You can eat chili.
Eating time. Let's eat. Birthday to
Yeah, more company, guys.
Tularan niya. Look at Tinder watching the dishes. No. I'm gonna help you, Daddy Merlin. Okay, I'll bring everything then. Hello, beautiful lady. She's doing that. So they're working hard, and me, I'm working hard too. I will be the one to. Don't forget to bring the takeaway food. Solve na yung dinner, guys. Yes, thank you. So
We're making a noise.
we're gonna leave it like that.
We're gonna wrap Leah's house.
So what am I gonna do now? So I just look at them. They're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Look,
Happy birthday!
oh wow! Come on. Oh!
I found them down the road.
Wow! So sweet.
Just down there, the garden down the road.
Oh, sana all.
To my beautiful wife
Oh.
and best friend Leah, Aka Kiki. You have made another trip for 365 days of love, joy, and anger, and being wife.
Because you are someone special and you mean a lot to me. Have a
Oh, I'm gonna
I
cry.
wish you many more lovely, amazing years to come. I love you with all my heart and much more. Love,
Wow. Like a flower.
Oh, the 50 Shades of Grey.
Almost same, but
Okay.
a bit different.
And we should watch the 50 Shades of Grey. The 1, 2, 3. I have the movie.
Wow, we will.
It's nice. I heard that so.
Then they have 365 days off.
I watched it all.
Then we watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful. Bring your own tissue.
It's not wet.
Oh no, so pretty.
Yeah, that's cute.
Thank you, baby.
It's beautiful like you.
And the
Happy
vase, I like the vase.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
When is exactly your birthday?
Tomorrow day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Sing with it. Birthday. Sing that. Hello. But there's no talent. Oh, this is mine. It's supposed to be yours. No. Thank you.
We're still singing the yeah, we're singing the birthday song, but it's birthday Carawan.
Maligayang kaarawan.
Happy
Birthday.
Die, Cherry.
Next in line. Hey, Dai. You're eating or not? You're eating or not?
Black Forest? Oh, Black Forest.
La 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 la. Happy birthday to you. Ay, ubos. Sobrang baba naman. There. Go there.
Yeah, John.
BFF.
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo. The birthday goes cake time.
4:35. Why is that, Rihanna?
Is the cake yummy?
Yum.
Delish.
What is delish?
Delicioso.
Delicious.
Masarap.
Delicious.
Masarap.
Delicious.
Masarap.
Delicious.
Masarap.
Delicious.
Say masarap.
Masarap in Tagalog. Kasing sarap mo.
This is really yummy. This is better than the East Nara, babe.
Where's that one from?
North Nara Bakery?
No.
They're very nice, yeah.
It is yummy.
Yeah.
At
That's where the topping with the
Cream?
ice, like the white cream. Last time one
You
my
really
farewell
touched
is
my
was
chin.
black.
Yes.
Yeah, I like this one more.
Creamy.
My tongue can really touch my chin.
Really? Do it again. You got a long tongue, like a lizard. Or iguana. Or iguana.
He likes like this. I like the white cream. Yeah, white cream.
Oh.
Look at this too. Doing the wacky.
Yummy.
Nice. Yum, yeah.
Yeah.
Long nose ka ha? Long nose ka day ha?
I love the eyebrow.
Long nose ka. What color of your eyes? Brown, black.
Dark brown.
Dark brown.
Really dark brown.
Dark chocolate.
Cute.
I'm gonna close my eyes forever so long.
10 times.
Mm.
So I do bikini, I do
That's Lisa?
Is there one?
Right?
you like rubber band.
Yeah, no. But it's still alright. You can still bear the pain.
Say something.
Oh, when
Say
first time
something.
it's feel
Something.
like bit hurt, but second time.
Tell them,
it's alright.
you know.
Till the
And but
after that now.
Okay, I said something just
Yeah,
now.
something good. Yeah.
You know, like,
Okay.
I need to very gross. Itchy.
You have a big tongue.
I hate when being very gross.
Oh, got a big tongue.
yeah, me too. Like
You,
so,
and
I'm going in there for
You,
done that.
you.
And did you have to buy?
So,
the
did
baby-
you go to school today?
Oh no, I didn't.
Yes.
I just only had
Is
the,
it you go to
the
work?
right?
Work
you
or
go to work
school?
also in the morning.
Like you don't
Oh.
you can have to buy.
What time do you go to
Yeah,
school?
I buy 3.
Hmm?
The part.
8:30.
That's what they say.
And then I go to work at 5
So
a.m.
9.
So you have pocket money then.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 hours and half work. You're working for 3 hours and half?
Anytime is that.
Ask mommy, where is my pay, mommy? So I go to work as well.
Yes, you go to deliver the
Breakfast.
breakfast also.
I know. Who's the resident was asking?
I get my pay every fortnight.
And
And I get $50.
My wage.
I get $50 for my bank.
Wow.
Yeah.
$50.
Every month's payday.
Oh, that's
Lucky
why.
you.
50 towards bank account savings.
Oh, you're hard worker.
You still have a big tongue.
You? What did the teacher teach you today? Lesson, what's the lesson for today?
Read
History?
books.
Read books? What's the title of the
Yeah,
book?
that's what I was thinking about.
Guys, thank you very much. So we're going home now. See you on my next vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Comment.